Hi everyone. So now that you've gone through a lot of my lessons already, I've taught you already some feet movement for dancing and some basic hand movements. So you can dance your feet movement, hand movement, feet movement, hand movement. So you're able to dance with your friends and your family and everything and kind of go through a whole song. Well, now, oftentimes when you dance, you notice with dancers, they switch up their moves. Maybe they'll be from the right and then the left, and then they switch up the whole technique in general, okay? Well, today I'm going to teach you a basic move, how to switch it up. I'm going to teach you how to spin. A lot of people when they dance, they spin, because when they spin, they incorporate different movements on a different side when they spin. So basically, you could change up the whole routine after one full spin or two full spins, depending on how many times you want to do this. So anyways, in order to spin, a lot of people just think that you could just regularly just spin around in a circle, but there's a technique in dancing in order to spin and effectively take it in the same direction. They call this move spotting. And basically, spotting is focusing on one spot. It could be on anything. If you're dancing with a person, focus on the center and their nose. Focus on their eyes. It has to be just a certain spot. So when you spin, you're able to land the spin in the same direction. Okay? Because if you don't spot, you'll just spin and then, oops, you'll fall over. You know how people think, oh man, Well, when you spot, you're just going to look and spin. So this is basic. This is a basic spin move. You can add other ones, but this is basically how it goes. See? I spotted, I went in the same direction. Now I'll do it with the right. See? I focused on one specific spot, and then I spin. Okay? And then basically, for example, when you're doing that move, you can add dance moves. So let's just say I'm going to one side like this, and then I want to spin. Then I can go to this side, because I'm switching up the technique. Okay, then I spin again, switch, 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 spin again, switch to a different move, the pop and lock that you learned in the last lesson, switch again, do the glide, switch again, leg spin, leg drop, basic things, As long as you're spinning and keeping it up, you can always switch the move, and I advise you use the spin technique to be able to switch out different moves when you're out on the dance floor. There's a basic spin. You can add like up feet movements and everything, but let's just start out with the basics. Alright everyone, well that's my lesson on spinning today.